Looking to shop bold streetwear from kmode.com but wondering if it's the real deal or just another flashy scam? You're not alone, and this store definitely raises some eyebrows. Kaizomo presents itself as a trendy, street-savvy fashion brand offering limited edition drops, sustainable materials, and stitched-in graphic designs that scream high-end aesthetic. At first glance, it seems like a promising new player in the fashion game, with edgy hoodies, loud prints, and a minimalist website that feels curated. But once you look under the surface, things start to unravel quickly. The domain for kazmode.com was only registered in 2025, despite the site claiming to have years of experience and customer trust, already a contradiction. We also ran reverse image searches on several of their products and found the same exact photos on multiple low-quality or suspicious websites, suggesting the images and maybe even the products aren't exclusive to them. Even more concerning is the complete lack of genuine social media presence. A brand that claims to thrive on limited drops and hype would naturally need Instagram, TikTok, or at least some kind of online community, but Kazomode barely exists outside its own website. Then there are the verified on-site reviews and those automated purchase pop-ups that seem designed more to create fake urgency than reflect real-time customer activity. It's also telling that there are no verified buyer reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or any external review platforms, just the store's own hand-picked claims. All of this creates a blurry picture. Kazomode might not be an outright scam, but the lack of transparency, recycled content, and fake signals suggest it's far from a trustworthy fashion brand. If you're considering a purchase, it might be wise to pause, dig deeper, or stick to more established stores before risking your money here.